Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're decoding those invisible physical forces shaping your weather every single day. Ever wonder why clear skies suddenly turn into violent storms? Let's explore the physics right above our heads. So, the secret is density. Warm air is lighter and rises, while heavy, cold air just drops. When that warm air rises, it actually cools down. That's exactly how clouds are born, step by step. But when air descends, it heats up. Water evaporates, leaving you with those perfectly clear blue skies. Now, the cold front. Let's see how all this physics builds an active weather system. Imagine a dense wall of cold air acting like a wedge, aggressively forcing lighter warm air upward. The result of that abrupt lift? Boom. You get those towering, intense cumulonimbus storm clouds. Basically, this massive system drops heavy rain directly behind the advancing cold air line. Down on the ground, you literally feel this hit as a sudden, sharp drop in temperature. Real data from 2015 shows the temperature absolutely plummeting the second that cold front hits. Okay, moving to the warm front. What happens when we completely reverse those atmospheric roles? Here, the lighter warm air gently, almost lazily, slides right up over the passive cold air. Thanks to that gentle lift, long cloud formations literally stretch for miles across the sky. This creates a massive, 1,000-kilometer-wide system. Here, rain actually falls far ahead of the front. To recap, cold fronts are narrow with rain behind, while warm fronts are massive with rain ahead. So, knowing all this, what kind of front is shaping the sky right above you today?